Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Rohit. Today I am going to teach you about how to install the software CodeBlock and first C++ program in CodeBlock. So first of all, open the Google Chrome, then type here CodeBlock. Now here comes the CodeBlock. Then here is the download option. So click on the download option to download the CodeBlock. So here are the version for binary release, for source code, for SVN. So we have to download the prior binary release. So here are the for Windows, Mac and Linux. You click on your system wise. So my system is Windows 10. So I'm clicking on here. So here is the important step. Here we have to select this file, CodeBlock 2023 setup.exe. So MinGW file we have to select. So click on this to download the file. Wait for some time. It will start. So here you can see download is starting. So you can download. I have already downloaded. So I pause this, and in this download, here is the setup of the code block. Click on that. Say yes. Click on the next. Here in the terms and condition, so click on I agree. Next. Here you can select you can type the path of the code block. So I keep it as it is. So here is the start. Installing is start. Wait for some time. It takes some time to download, so please wait. So say yes, your downloading is complete. Click on next and finish. So here opens the code block. You can see here. So click on the create new project. And here click on the console application. Go. Skip. Next. C++. Project title say hello world. Now here you can give the project path. So I already created one folder for C++ program. I'm giving that path here. You can give any path, and it is necessary to give this path. Click on next, keep it as it is, finish. It takes some time. After the loading, click on here sources and then main.cpp. So by default here template is there for hello world. You can see here. So here is the run button. To compile and run, here is the build and run. Now we click on build and run. Here is program is executed successfully, and here is the hello world. So Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.